Interesting facts about America. The United States consists of 50 states and a national government in Washington, D.C. Florida and Hawaii, hot and sunny like tropical islands. Alaska, predominantly cold, similar to Arctic conditions. The state of Arizona is hot and dry, featuring deserts. Oregon and Washington, rainfall is high with lush forests. Alaska is the largest state in the United States, which belonged to the Russian Empire before the U.S. bought it. Texas and Florida are the fastest growing states. America is known as superpower. It is the head and member of NATO. Mount Denali in Alaska is the highest mountain in the United States. This base is 2,360 feet high. America produces movies and TV shows that captivate audiences around the world. The United States is one of the world's leading agricultural producers, known for corn, wheat, and soybeans. The first human to arrive in North America, the European Spaniard, was Juan Ponce de Leon, who arrived in Florida in 1513. Lake Superior in the Midwest is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Utah Lake is the largest saltwater lake, known for its high salinity. In 1969, American astronauts made history by landing on the moon for the first time. The Mississippi River is the longest river in the United States, stretching over 2,300 miles. The largest is the Library of Congress. There are millions of books, recordings, photographs, maps, and manuscripts. America boasts the largest economy in the world, which plays an important role in global trade, finance, and technological development. It takes 21 hours to fly from Pakistan to America.